Liza looked like a very good wife. She always smiled, acted kind in front of her husband, and covered her head with a scarf to look respectful and decent. But when her husband left for work, she called her secret lover to their house. They spent time together while her husband was away. She thought her husband would never know the truth, but she didn't know. Her husband was very smart. Everyone believed she was a kind and respectful woman. Even her husband, Rocky, trusted her completely. One day, she said to her husband, Rocky,
Rocky, today I noticed something very strange. Every day, from the window of the building in front, a mirror reflects sunlight directly into this room. And when I'm in the room, the light falls right on me as if someone is secretly watching me. It makes me feel very uncomfortable.
Then she paused for a moment and added, For my respect and peace of mind, please get the walls made higher and also build a roof over the courtyard so that no stranger can see me. Rocky felt thankful for having such a modest and respectful wife. He decided to give her even more protection. The very next day, he got a roof built over the courtyard. Rocky started loving his wife Liza even more than before. He felt like the luckiest man in the world. The next day, Liza was watching videos on the internet in the afternoon when suddenly a video appeared showing how drone cameras are used to secretly watch people. As soon as she saw the video, a clever idea came to her mind, a new plan to make her husband Rocky trust her even more deeply. When Rocky came home that evening, Liza said seriously,
Rocky, something really disturbed me today. When I was in the kitchen, suddenly a drone camera started flying near the roof in front. I immediately closed the curtains on the window.
Rocky was surprised. A drone? How is that possible? Liza said with concern, I don't know whose it was, but I don't want anyone to question my respect. Can you please get the kitchen window permanently closed? Rocky, who already trusted Liza blindly, immediately called a mason the next day and got the kitchen window sealed with bricks. Now he started spending even more time with Liza, loved her more than ever, and completely believed in her. A few days later, in the evening, Rocky had to travel to another city for business. Before leaving, he said to Liza, Make sure to lock the door properly. I'll be back in 2 days. But while traveling, Rocky suddenly remembered that he had forgotten some important documents at home. He quickly turned the car around and headed back. Since he had a duplicate key to the house, he quietly opened the door so he wouldn't disturb Liza's sleep. He walked in slowly and went straight toward his room to pick up the files and leave again. But as soon as he entered the house, he heard soft laughter coming from the bedroom. Rocky was startled. At this time, someone else in the house? He tiptoed to the window and peeked into the bedroom, and the scene in front of his eyes shocked him completely. Liza was sitting with a strange man, her head resting on his shoulder, both happily talking and laughing. It was clear they were very comfortable and close with each other. Everything went dark before Rocky's eyes. He held his head in both hands, his heart breaking so badly that he struggled to breathe. Barely managing to control himself, he turned around quietly. He didn't have the strength at that moment to face Liza. Without saying a word, without making a sound, he walked out of the house. After leaving the house, Rocky felt like he was in shock. He didn't know where to go, who to talk to, or whose shoulder to cry on. He kept walking without direction until he reached the side of a lonely road, where he sat under a dry tree. Suddenly, a thought crossed his heart. His old friend, Priya, the same girl who had been his best friend during college days. She used to stand by him in every happy and sad moment. Rocky remembered that Priya lived in a nearby city. Without wasting a single moment, he got up, sat in the car, and within half an hour, he was standing at Priya's door. The door opened and Priya was shocked to see him. Rocky, after so many years? But seeing the sadness and tiredness on his face, she immediately became serious. Her eyes understood everything. "Come inside, Rocky," she said gently. They sat in the drawing room. There was silence for a few moments. Then Rocky softly said, "Priya, my life has fallen apart." Priya didn't say anything. She just listened. Her face carried the same old seriousness. Rocky told her the story of how his wife had betrayed him, every moment, every pain. And slowly, his heart began to feel lighter. Priya stayed quiet, but there was a glow in her eyes, the warmth of a true friend, and the comfort of a gentle heart. Priya comforted Rocky and talked to him about the good old days from college. She reminded him of some funny moments too, and a small smile appeared on Rocky's face. To help him feel better, Priya gave him food and then showed him to her guest room for the night. She gave him a glass of milk and a sleeping pill so that he could rest peacefully. After drinking the milk, Rocky soon fell into a deep sleep and, for a few hours, forgot his pain. Priya started encouraging Rocky every day. She asked him to go outside regularly, sometimes to take a walk in the park, and other times to eat at a restaurant. With Priya's presence, Rocky slowly began to feel a little peace and comfort in his life. But deep inside, there was still an emptiness that hadn't healed. One day Priya said to Rocky,
"Do you remember when we were in college? I really liked you, but I never had the courage to tell you. Then one day I found out that you were engaged to a girl named Liza."
Hearing this, Rocky remembered how Priya always cared for him during college. She was always there for him, quietly hiding her feelings. After thinking about it for a few days, Rocky one day proposed marriage to Priya. A few days later, their wedding took place with great celebration. After marriage, they proved to be perfect for each other. Because Priya understood Rocky's heart, without him needing to say anything. She truly loved him. One day Rocky said to Priya,
"You were the one meant to be in my life. I feel like Lisa came into my life by mistake."
Press the subscribe button to watch more videos.